What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to use the snipping tool on Windows 11. Go ahead and click the Windows key, or you can just hit the search button down here. Type in snipping. Should be the first option that pops up right here. Once you have that open, you can look at some of the settings. You can change it to window or full screen, freeform. You can even set a timer so that you can wait. There'll be a 3-second delay until it takes the picture. There's also screen recording. Instead of just taking screenshots, you can do video recording as well. I'm going to go ahead and just open up something else. For example, you're going to just click new, and then you'll get these crosshairs, and you just want to left click and drag over whatever item you want to screenshot, and then you let go. And then once it does that, there you go. You'll see the screenshot of what it is. You can edit it, edit in Paint, whatever. But you want to save it. Once you save it with this little item over here, you can make a folder and put all your screenshots in a certain area, that kind of thing. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe, and you have a great day.